How to turn on events, changes and updates notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on events, changes and updates notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find settings and then click notifications, and here you will find events. Click on it, and as you see now, all you need to do is just click on this one, changes and updates, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.